This is number 67 in your review for section 6, where you're told that the material cost of a solid bronze sphere with a diameter of 3.8 centimeters is $1.05. So of course the radius would be 3.8 divided by 2, or 1.9. Compute the material cost of a solid bronze sphere with a 5.70 centimeter diameter, which again the radius would be half of that. So what we need to do is to determine the cost per cubic centimeter. So we're going to need to find the volume of this first sphere given. Well, the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi times radius cubed. In this case would be times 1.9 cubed. And when we multiply that together, we find that this sphere has a volume of about 28.73 cubic centimeters. Now we want to figure out cost per cubic centimeter. Cost per cubic centimeter means that we need to take the cost for the whole sphere, in this case $1.05, and divide by the number of cubic centimeters, in this case 28.73. And we get a cost per cubic centimeter of about 0.037, or 3.7 cents. So now, if we can find the volume of our new sphere using the same formula, then we know the cost of each of those cubic centimeters. We'll be able to determine the cost of manufacturing that sphere. So again, it'll be 4/3 times pi times our radius cubed. And that gives us a volume of about 96.97 cubic centimeters. And the cost per cubic centimeter, we want to get rid of cubic centimeters and end up with cost, or dollars, we determined was about 0.037. So our cubic centimeters will cancel, and we'll find that the cost of making that sphere is about equal to $3.54.